Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add tick symbol in Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add tick symbol in this document. Click the page, then go to the Insert menu and find and select the symbol drop down menu. Then go to the more symbol, then click font windings 2, then select any symbol and insert it, then close the window and we can see here we add tick symbol very easily. You can change the symbol color or increase the font size. Select the symbol, then go to the home menu, then increase the font size. You can change the color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.